Good morning, good morning, good morning, good
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
morning, good morning, good morning. I have gotten dressed already. I'm clean. I've done something, a little something to my face, and I got to thinking that a lot of people ask me about my hair and what do you do to it at night and what do you have to do with it in the morning? How long does it take for you to style it? And I don't think that they believe that it's that easy. So this morning, this is what I wore to bed last night. It has not been off today. And I want you to see just how easy it is. So this is going to be really quick. Yesterday, I did a roller set on 2-strand twists. And last night, I put this on my head. I tucked my hair underneath. And this is what it drops down to look like right now. And this is what I will do to it this morning. And so you realize that I can go now. I don't have to do anything else if I don't want to. I'm going to turn around and let you see this hair. But I know some of you still think it can't be that easy. So here we go. I'm going to make it a little bit harder so then you can believe me. Okay, here we go. And that's as difficult as it gets. Unless I put some braids in my hair, some rollers or whatever, then I have to take it out and go through that. I've been in front of you with my good mornings and my explanation for less than 3 minutes. And if wherever I want to go, I can go. That's why this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family. I love my subscribers. And I especially love God. Join me on Instagram at Jean_G59. Have a wonderful day.